Hey folks, Sean, Max Fire Training, home of the Max Firebox. We wanted to share with you today a new addition to the Max Firebox Phase 1. So this is the wrench for the Max Firebox Phase 1. We use this wrench to adjust the feet. We also use this wrench, there's a socket on it, to attach the Max Firebox Phase 1 to the stand. So there's studs up underneath, we take the bolts, we use this wrench. Also, what we want to share with you today is something new that we created here for the Max Firebox Phase 1. What we created is a clean out. This wrench is also used for this clean out. So this clean out allows you to get the fuel load out much easier whenever you're changing the fuel load out. Also, what you'll notice is we also have holes drilled in the bottom of the Max Firebox Phase 1 to allow moisture and small embers and things like that. So there's your clean out. It's a great addition to the Max Firebox Phase 1. It's much more user-friendly as far as cleaning it out. And here's the wrench that comes with the Max Firebox Phase 1. We wanted to share that with you. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you so much.